Hi and welcome to LawSikho. My name is Amish Aggarwala and today I'm going to talk about how lawyers starting out with their careers in India can get more clients, can get more success and not lose hope. So when I started out, a full disclaimer though, I am a third generation lawyer. A lot of people think that I have had a silver spoon and that things have been very easy for me. Of course, that is up for debate. But what I will say is that I have struggled extremely hard even when I did get clients because of the fact that even if your father or your grandfather or your uncle is a lawyer or a judge, it doesn't matter. They can send you clients, but doing the good work for the client is extremely important. Having said that, there are several other things which I have done on my own to be able to ensure that I do not starve to death in this very difficult competitive profession. One thing that a lot of lawyers do not do is to give free advice to every single person they meet. In fact, I go ahead and I offer unsolicited advice every single place that I go. Every single place I go, every person I meet, every WhatsApp group that someone spews up some question or tells some story about something happening to them, I always try to figure out what exactly is it that this person could face as a legal challenge, or if whatever is going on with this person, does he have any sort of legal remedy for in whatever way he has been wronged. For example, every single family gathering, every single gathering of friends, every single WhatsApp group that I'm a part of, people talk about their issues, people ask about different things. Your lawyer groups, your lawyer friends with whom you sit in the canteen of the Delhi High Court with and spend 3 or 4 hours eating that subsidized food with, they're not going to get you your clients. You sitting in your chamber, twiddling your thumbs all day long, will not get you your clients. You sitting in court all day long and watching matters will not get you your clients. What will get you clients is interacting with as many people out there in the real world as possible. And only then will you be able to put yourself out there, build that trust, establish that authority as an expert in your field of law. Every single place you go, every single place so in fact, another thing that I do is that every single person that I meet, I exchange numbers with them for no other reason but just to stay in touch with them. Not because I think that maybe this person will hire me as a lawyer in the future, but this is something that I have learned from a few very good, very successful friends. What they do is every single person that they meet, they always wonder, okay, how can I help this person achieve his goals? And that is why discussions happen, fascinating discussions happen, because of which contacts are exchanged. Because of which, now in the future, now when contacts are exchanged, WhatsApp statuses, LinkedIn posts, Facebook messages, Instagram stories, everywhere. You publicize what you're doing, you publicize where you go, you publicize the things that you do. Every single step in that particular direction is going to lead you to more clients. The age-old saying, do good work for one client, he will bring you more, might be true, but you should not focus on that. And from personal experience, I can say the reason is that nobody wants to talk about the litigations that they have faced. A man who is facing divorce proceedings and cruelty proceedings against his wife is not going to talk in the entire town about what is going on with his case. Nobody who is facing a civil suit for possession or who is contesting some sort of dispute will frankly want to talk about that with anybody else except maybe his closest friends or his family. And that is why people will not really be your biggest champions. The people who will be your biggest champions will be the ones who you keep engaging again and again with, who keep calling you up at odd hours of the day. That is 6 in the morning, 2 in the night, they'll keep calling you, they'll keep asking you questions. You're not supposed to get frustrated with them. You're not supposed to refuse them answers, because every single time you answer their questions, one thing is you will have 2 more things to think about. you will go and sit on your computer, you will research the particular proposition that they talked about, and that itself makes you a better lawyer. Apart from that, every single time you say something to them to help them out, they're always going to keep in mind that there is one good lawyer that they know. Even if they have a bunch of friends who are lawyers, or a bunch of friends who are law graduates, or they have a bunch of close friends whose friends are lawyers or whose family members are lawyers, they're going to think about the one person that is you.